In the next few card sketch challenge videos, I'm going to be using two sets of Julie Hickey Designs dies. One is called Lovely Leaves and the other is called Beautiful Blooms. You can find those available to purchase wherever you find Julie Hickey Designs. I'm also using a set of papers called Bloom and Wild from Craft Consortium. Lovely designs available in 12x12, 8x8 and 6x6. Now I've already cut down a piece of that paper and stuck it to a mat of black card. The measurements obviously are in the downloadable sketch, which you can find on my website, gentlemancrafter.com. And I've mounted that onto the card front using foam pads. I've then cut a tag, but you could just use a rectangle of card according to the layout. It's entirely up to you. It's not exactly a complicated shape, so you should be able to get that one. And then I've die cut two layers of this birthday text. So I've got the white layer and the black layer, and I've stuck them together. And then I'm going to basically glue the back and then stick that to the tag. I'm using bookbinding glue as I do throughout all of these card sketch videos. It's a quick tack, low moisture PVA glue. Now for some of the decoration I'm starting to use the dies. This first one comes from the Lovely Leaves set, and it's just one of the leaves available in that bundle. Sticking it down directly above the tag. That's going to pop out from behind a floral arrangement. Speaking of which, I created this using just the dies from the Beautiful Blooms set that I showed earlier. So you can see here I've used the outline, the solid, and then some of those central parts as well. That I'm going to stick to the card with foam pads. Just above the tag. And then I've cut myself a couple of little bow ends, you know what I mean. And I'm going to stick those just under the flower as if they're tied to the tag and the flower. And there you go. There's Card Sketch Challenge 23. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more from me, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter.